excited. I got a surprise for you. I got these three pants. I like the brand and so special to me because they having a push up from the bottom. They have it like this, and I'm gonna show you. I will wear it, and then I'm gonna show you what this pants is good. And then you're gonna decide it later. So, are you guys excited? Because me, I'm so excited. Okay, before we're gonna wear it and super excited, I'll show it first for you. Okay? Okay guys, this is the pants that I bought. So you will see here. So my size is 28, my waist. Yeah. And the good thing is this one. I'll show you. See? And then the second one is this brand. I like this brand too much. See? By the way, this one is a skinny. Yeah, it's elastic. Oh my god, I like it. Most of the women, I like this pants. See? The good thing is push up wonder, and the other one, it's also the same but different color. This is the lighter and this is darker blue. Okay, it's a skinny. It is like this, and the other one is like this. See, it push up your bottom. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I wore it already, one of the pants. See, this is the one. As you can see, I wore it already. My butt, see, it's push up. This is the good thing from Salsa. And then I'll show you. I'm gonna wear this one today. I'll show you how it's nice. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoy. So pantalon that I bought it from Salsa. This is the most I'm waiting pantalon that I want to wear it for the very long time because it's so expensive. When I bought it online, it's the same, but they deliver from me almost 2 months, so it's really gonna disappointed, right? And yeah, just now I received what to do. Anyway, I'm so happy I got received and it's fitted on me, so I don't have problem. See guys, I wore it already. The pantalon is so good. This brand is quite expensive, but I bought this in online. See, in euro it's how much? My god. But I bought it here in online. It's cheaper because they did sale. Okay. Hello guys, if you are you want to see more videos unboxing, that you want to know about the brand and it's the quality, if it's good, just subscribe my channel and also like the button, like and click the subscribe, and see you next time again for the next unboxing moment. Bye.